Here's a quick rundown of 3 of the most popular 7-inch speed squares available on our website. So first up, we've got the Trigjig, then the Martinez, then the Squijig. These are all aluminium. The Martinez is available with a titanium blade, but they all come in lots of different colorways as well. So they all share a lot of the same features. So first up, you've got your measurements down the side here. These are all the metric versions, and they've all got 5mm increments for scribe lines, so working parallel to your working surface. They've also got measurements along the bottom here, so therefore marking out perpendicular lines. So if you're marking out studs, for instance, set that to 45mm, and there you go, you've got your stud mark there. They've also got graduations down the outside here, so these are for marking up your angles. This will correspond with your miter saw settings. So you want 20 degrees, just set that to 20 there, and away you go. They've also got secondary scale down here. These are for marking out hip and valley cuts. So you can, these are all in degrees. So if you've got a 30-degree pitch roof, you can set that to 30 degrees there and just mark up straight away. That will give you your hip and valley cut. They all have vials set into them for marking out plumb and level, and they've all got slightly unique features. So the Trigjig has got markings here for your 1/3 bird's mouth on common UK timber sizes. The Martinez has got a couple of quick reference lines here, so that'll give you 22.5 degrees and 45 degrees. And the Squijig has got a nice scale along the shoulder here. And I'll just do a quick comparison of the different shoulder sizes, so you can see the difference between them all. So that is our 3 most popular speed squares.